Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan is before 1949 is independent country. After 1949 is occupied by China. Tibet also occupied. Before is East Turkestan, in the map it's East Turkestan. But now it's Xinjiang. Xinjiang means new country land.
Now folks, so far I've done all the work. All I've asked you to do is come to the line, have some fun. You're doing a great job. Third quarter of the show, I need everybody's help. Everyone's help. No work. Wind change 5. Everybody, put your hands up in the air. Now everybody, our world work. Even the cool people. If you don't do it, I'll point you out. Everybody follow my lead. Bring your hands down. I love that bit, eh? It like stuck your ankle. Now, unfortunately,
human rights, yeah. If you want to hear tips,